Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got this product from Gillette. It comes with a trimmer with 3 attachments. It also comes with one Pro Glide blade, which is also attachable onto the trimmer. So this was costing about 25 bucks on Walmart, but I picked it up on Amazon, and currently it costs about $38, which is a complete ripoff, but I decided to purchase it anyways, and yeah, here we are. So this is the box that it comes with. Alright everyone, if you go to the back, over here we can see the trimmer, we can see the Pro Glide blade over there, and we can see there's 3 different adjustments. And so the smallest one, I believe, increases it to 2 millimeters. The second one increases it to 4 millimeters, and the biggest one increases it to 6 millimeters. Yeah, or maybe this one just provides 6 millimeters on top of the, I believe, 1.3 millimeters depth it cuts, the trimmer itself. But yeah, so we're gonna get this opened and see what's inside. It doesn't seem to be much more inside, but there is a little bit of space inside here. So I'm wondering if there's anything inside there. It's kind of blocked all the way around. So yeah, I'll see you guys back. Alright guys, we are back. I've cut open the front, as you can see, and this is how it looks opened up. We're gonna take out each one of these items one by one. So here's the Pro Glide blade. It comes with one, and I believe this is refillable with any kind of other Gillette blade refills. So you can pick up any one of those, whichever you like, and just put it into this one once this one wears out. That's quite useful. Alright, and so these are the attachments to the... Oh my, okay, that's not focused, but alright, that should look better. But these are the attachments to the trimmer itself. Here's the 4 millimeter one, that was a 6 millimeter. And this is the 2 millimeter attachment. So I believe these increase the 1.3 millimeter cutting depth of the trimmer by how much ever these provide. So this one is 2 millimeters, so this one increase it by 2. So I believe it would be 3.3. I might be wrong about that, but yeah, so this is the 2 millimeter one. And as you can see, like, the colors go from light to dark as the millimeters increase and whatnot. So yeah, that's quite nice right there. And oh, okay, so this whole thing comes up. And inside we have the trimmer itself. So it's quite nice looking trimmer, especially for $25. Feels nice to the hands. It only has one button right here, which is the power switch. There we go, it's focused now. There's the blades itself. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna focus on the blades. But yeah, that is the trimmer. Another version of this product actually comes with a little stand, so you can place all these items into that and sort of keep it organized and whatnot. But this specific version didn't come with that, so that's fine, I guess. I don't really need to have that stand. That stand is only for just to keep all these organized. It's not a necessary item. Alright, so this is the note that came inside the box. It says thank you. Oh my goodness. Alright, should be better focused now. If you would like to read this, go ahead. Oh wow, and over here is a little demonstration. So all Fusion cartilage fits styler. Alright, so all the Fusion ones, I guess, fit on this specific model, which is quite nice. I believe it also has that little, like, never mind. I thought it had that little sort of ball, as you can see, like right over there, that helps it rotate. But I guess this can rotate as well, pretty well. I've seen some videos about this product, so I've seen many good reviews. I'll actually have a person using this product in the description below, so you can see how well it works on the skin and whatnot. Because I'm not going to test this out, I'm just going to give you guys an unboxing experience about this. Alright, so over there it kind of shows you how to attach the little, the blade and the attachments. They seem to be attached the same way. I guess I could show you guys that. Oh, also, it uses a AA battery apparently, and it's also waterproof, which is one of the main reasons why I purchased this. Yeah. Alright, that seems to be about it. Alright, we'll put that away. So to stick the attachments, it seems like we just, okay, that's, alright, there we go, like that, and we snap it in. There we go. Fits in very nice. And to eject it, I believe we have to click this. Never mind. Maybe, oh, you have to like hold, like push it forward, and it comes loose, simply just like that. And the process is similar for any one of these. You just put it over like that, you put it back, and you press it in. Then you have to just shift it up and pull it off. Very easy. With this one, they made it a lot bigger. I guess that makes it more durable in a sense. Alright, there we go. Snaps right in. It came with a little protective cover for the front, which is nice. Just 5 blades, I believe. But yeah, there it is attached. And to remove this, same process. And yeah. Alright then guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about this product, please leave them down below. I'll see if I can answer it, and I'll try to do so if I can. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.